Welcome to the checkout guide. Today I will show you how to place a test order using Bogus Gateway. So you go to the online store, then view store. Here we can select a product. I have select the color to blue and click on add to cart and click on cart icon. Here we can check all the details. If you want any quantity, you can add or remove. So here I add one quantity and click on checkout. For entering details, we have give a email. The code is submit. Here we can enter shipping details. Here I already entered. You can edit this. I give a name to city, state. Can give a code. So save the address. Okay, we have to give the pin code as state. We can give zip code as save the address. Then we can go to the payment section. Here bogus payment gateway we given. So card number 1, and we can set the expiry date to security code will be 123. Just give main card Ginto. So then click on pay now. So for order confirmation, we can check all the details here. We can see if the order confirmed or not. We can click on view account. The order is successfully completed. Here we can see the confirmed. So this is how we can place a test order in Shopify using Bogus Gateway. So if you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.